So we want to make another analysis for the week. And there's a reason why I want like there's something I wanted to point out from yesterday's analysis that we placed the trade. Now, see, for Euro USD, right? Euro USD, we did our analysis right. We followed everything right. It came up. But my problem was that it broke this entry zone. I was supposed to come down and retrace to confirm this entry. But it didn't come down to confirm the entry. And that is why I did not place this trade. It later hit our take profit, as you can see. But now, but now, you see this place that it is hitting take profit. You see this place that is hitting take profit. But let's go to NZD USD. For NZD USD, where it's hitting take profit in Euro USD, that is where our entry fall in place. So now it broke here, open a candle above and below it, above it, broke back down, open a candle below it, open and close the candle below it. Now it broke back here. This very bearish candle is also a bullish candle and was also place our trade here, but it was not. So when I now saw the different bullish candle here and this bullish engulfing here, I felt like this is going to be this has engulfed this. But this candle was still linked to this line. So I had to increase the bullish candle to somewhere. In fact, I'm supposed to put this long position sign here because I was supposed to put a long position sign here. I don't know why I didn't. Uh, okay, let me just adjust this based on my setting. Let me just adjust it based on my setting. Let me go to my MT file and see how. Uh, so when is it? When is it? SL is 59953. Is there five? Is this not 59953? 59953. YTP is what? 60694. 60694. YTP. Then I think entry price is 60130. 60130. And press OK. So this is literally the trade here. So there's something I want to point out. That's why let me point out something. I just want to point out that it does not hit top loss yet. Before people say anything hits top loss, don't point out anything. No, it does not hit top loss yet. So people should relax. Nobody should attack me yet. It does not hit top loss yet. But there's something I actually want to point. Wait, let me just stretch it a little further. Just a little further, then lock it. Where did they lock it? Where did I lock it? Where in the world is this thing? Okay, no, this is not it. Yo, where in the world did I drop that thing? This is not it. This is not it. This is it. It's down here. I'm looking for it all over the place. At least now I can't move it even if I click it. So see what is going on now. I don't know why my brain did not tell me. I don't know why it did not come across my mind, right? That this thing might run out of stream of steam, sorry, not stream. This very trade might run out of steam. Okay, look at it. Oh goodness. Let me extend it. We're supposed to make new analysis for the week. I just want to point it out. So this is where the rush started from. It rushed here, broke this line. Rushed here, broke this line. Rushed here, broke this line. And went all the way here. This whole rush, I did not acknowledge it. I was like, it will keep rushing. No, can somebody explain to me why I feel like this trade would have kept rushing all the way from here, all the way to here in one. And also, do you know why I'm placing the trade? When the London session is about to close, yeah, I don't even know how to explain what I just did. I'm placing the trade when the London session is about to close, which is somewhere here. And I'm expecting to hit TP. Like my only hope now is that, and you know what is that? What the worst part? After I placed the trade, it was just consolidating, 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 consolidating. So my only hope now is that after this whole, I don't know what news release went down here, but this was the news release that took it all the way close to the tick of it. Hopefully, my only hope now is that this whole thing that you are saying is nothing but a retracement. That's my only hope now. That this whole thing is nothing but a retracement. I feel like there is a strong resistance zone in this place, though. That's another thing. I'm thinking that there's a strong resistance zone. Now, I could easily just close this trade and make analysis for a new one. But I'm looking forward to seeing how the trade play out. So apart from our normal analysis that was also made, we're going to make another analysis for this very trade. Why are we analyzing it? So that we can confirm if it's going to go our way. First of all, we need to cross check what resistance zone is under here. That's the first thing we need to check. What resistance zone is under this line that rejected this rush of London or this rush of news release? What resistance zone? That's what I'm looking forward to see. Well, so far that is the update for the very trade. This other one did not give us an entry AED card. It did not give us an entry. It just went up and it went all the way down. Wait, sorry. I think it did. Wait, it's supposed to have given us entry. Let us zoom in to see it properly. Let me just zoom in to see it properly. Let me zoom in. Sorry, let me just zoom in because I think there's something happened. It broke this entry, retraced. Wait, when did this go down? How? Broke this entry, retraced, open and close below. Broke it with a bullish candle here. I should have placed it. I should have placed entry here. Logically speaking, I should have placed an entry here because this is clean. But it did not. Came down, check this place. Something must have went down here that I did not place this trade. I just don't know what it is yet. Logically, I should have placed an entry here. Why didn't I place an entry here? I'm still trying to, because it is our stop loss here. I don't know why I didn't place this trade. What happened? What was this? This is entry came out by, this is 21.55 minus 12 dollars. Minus 10 is 11 minus 2, that's 9.45. Okay, by 9.45 I was knocked out. I was knocked out. I slept off. And for an absurd reason, this knocking out is a good thing for me. So I don't know what I missed this entry. I missed this entry. But at the same time, it is still, I won't wait. Don't judge me yet. But I feel like it is a good thing, and it's, I want to know if technically speaking we're supposed to have placed the trade. But remember, we usually place trades on our London session. Sometimes we don't. We get me straight. Sometimes we don't place trade on London session. Sometimes we do. So since this trade did not fall under London session, there is a higher chance that we might not have placed this trade. But we should have placed this trade because this AED card, the running place trade is SND USD. So there are two different trades. I would have logically placed this trade. I don't know why I didn't. I think I slept off. That's the reason why I actually slept off. And since we already had a running trade, I did not see any necessity to keep watching the trade. I slept off very early yesterday. So okay, if this is 9:45, my time is usually earlier than this time. So this is 8:45. Why did I place this trade? This is 8:45. I don't know. I literally don't know why I didn't play the trade, but yeah. But yeah. Obviously, the other trades didn't pull through properly. So what I want to do now is clean up the charts. No, I want to confirm this NZD USD trade. I want to analyze this NZD USD trade to see if there's still hope for this NZD USD trade. Then let me clean up the charts for others, for other pairs. I want to clean up the charts. For other pairs, I just want to clean up the charts. I'm still going to confirm NZD USD trade. I just want to clean up the charts for the meantime. So USD card, no objects. I don't think you put anything on that USD. USD CJCF, no objects. USD JPY to reset this. USD JPY. Wait, long this. Wait, no, I think this is already locked. See, it's locked. So the long position is one of our old trades. AED card. I don't see any. Listen, we've already analyzed this. So I don't feel like this trade was a lucky dodge. I genuinely feel like it was a lucky dodge because logically speaking, if I was awake or if I was online or active, I would have placed that trade. I would genuinely have placed that trade. But right now, um, I just want to clean up the charts and cross check and send the USD trade. Then know if it's possible for us to place an analysis for today. That's what I want to do. I think already this is locked. So yes, this is a running trade. AD. Uh, we've placed a lot of AED trades. We've placed a lot of AED trades. Euro AED. We've placed a lot of AED trades. Then GBP AED, the last one. Yeah, so delete this. TP hit and stop loss hit. I might delete both of them because it's already a running trade. We don't need long. Let's now analyze NZD USD to see if there is a hope or if there is chance. I want to start with the higher time frame to analyze it. So where is take profit? Take profit here. TP here. I want to know why this line is feared by buyers. To understand, I'm trying to understand the market psychology. This entry is a strong entry. Are you seeing it now? There's no need for me to say too much. See what it rejected and all the way here. The rejection was too strong. This entry is strong. That is one thing I'm certain. Let me see how strong. Stop loss. I want it to near stop loss, but stop loss there's a confirmation here. This peak. This could not get it to the take profit. This is beat take profit, take profit, take profit. I'm trying to see why that line is feared because this entry is strong for the because of this peak. That entry is strong. Let's check for another peak. What in the world was that? Um, nothing. I'm looking for what? Wow. See where this thing fell. One peak. We've already confirmed take profit. This is another peak. Yo. I can see why that line was rejected. This rejected it. This came up and rejected a little. This one came here and rejected it above. This okay. This very line is not good. Are you noticing what I'm saying? This line is not good to reject buyers or sellers very well. So meaning that trade might not hit stop loss, but it is very good for stopping or holding the brakes on your already moving trend. See it, bullish, large, bullish and bullish. No, hot bullish, hot bullish, hot bullish for 3 good days. Got to this point and it stopped. It was like, I'm not allowing it to pass. Rejected it a little, but it later broke through. I seen it, rejected it a little, but it later broke through. Now, for this one now, hot bullish, sorry, hot bearish is bullish again. Bearish, very, 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 very bearish. Got all the way here. It rejected this whole brick. It was like stop there. God dropped a doji here, and on the next listen, it retraced it a little, but not strong enough. It still came back down and broke it. I saying it came back down and broke it. So that line is good for halting rush. That line is good for halting rush, but it is not strong enough to reject it. Are you getting my point now? It's not strong enough to reject it. That is the see. I'm just reading market psychology here. I'm just reading the candle patterns, seeing what the candle patterns are telling me about that line. So it's very very good for that. Although this one it came down and rejected it properly, but I feel like there was a different factor that made it that way. I'm still trying to see who how strong entry is. You did not cross the line. So that line is good for dropping heavy wicks on a daily candle. Are you saying it? Heavy wicks. I'm not saying anything on entry again. Entry here was not strong enough. Came down, rejected it strongly. I feel like this is another factor. Nobody should judge me. This is another factor. This is 2023. This candle is 2023. We're talking about 2026. 3 years. This is 3 years ago. Markets have changed. Don't judge me. This is 2023. This candle pattern is 2023 per candle pattern. So nobody should come and start judging me and be like, but you said that no, I'm not answering you. Um yeah, so that line is acknowledgeable. I'm looking for another strong acknowledgement. I'm looking for another strong acknowledgement for stop loss and entry. Let me zoom in on this. Oh goodness. Go here. I don't know why we're acknowledging already running trade. Instead of us to focus on. But I've seen what I'm looking for, right? I'm seeing what I'm looking for. Let us not waste our entire day here. We still have a lot of analysis going on. That's if we see an analysis. So okay, so this ends at the USD. So this line is good to reject this, but it's not strong enough to truly reject it completely. So that is for this line. This line has a nice peak. This entry line has a nice peak supporting it. So I feel like entry is good. Yeah, so I'll leave inside the USD to be. I'm definitely going to delete the alerts on the both of them for now because but let me first of all check if there's any pair we need to focus on. You get so yo by 7 network could deal with me here. Euro ends and the bullish trend. Let me push it up. Don't worry, if I see NZD pairs, we already have if only NZD pairs, we already have a running trade on NZD. Here's the card. Oh, I like this. Here's the CHF. No, this trend is too strong for that thing to hit stop loss. It's too strong. Every single trade is going in the trend. Every single trade. Nothing like no, it's too strong. Nobody should waver my thoughts. Wow. I like the AD card. Let's see. Wow, everything is wow strong. ADJPY. Nope. ADNZN. Nope. Euro AD. Nope. GBP AD. Nope. And then the JPY. Change of structure. Nope. Euro and then change of structure. Nope. GBP and then nope. Change of structure. GBCHF. Consolidation cluster. Change of structure twice. Nope. GBP. The change of structure twice. Cluster. Nope. Nope. Change of structure twice. Nope. CHF JPY. Change of structure. One, two, three, four, five, six times. No, six change of structure. This is coming changing from a change of structure to a higher time frame cluster. Change of structure twice. Nope. Nope. Consolidation. Heavy consolidation. Change of structure. Once, sure, but it's change of structure. This is bearish. This is actually bearish. Let me see 15 minutes. That's what it's saying. It's actually bearish. Card CHF. Card CHF is actually bearish. GB card. Let me see what GB card showed last time. No, 5 minutes. What am I doing on 15 minutes? Because it might be card pairs that are doing like that. This one is change of structure, right? But card CHF is not showing change of structure. Like that. It's not showing that much of a change of structure. Card JPY, let's see. No, see, this was the change of structure. Card CHF is change of structure. So what's happened? Let me allow you to breathe. Let me allow card to breathe. After all, we need another trade for like second trade. And ED is giving clean listen. So obviously, let's seal off a lot of things. Let me seal off this. Now, AED is here. We're moving all the AEDs up. Why? Because I'm moving all the AED up for because that is the main analysis we're doing today. We would have moved that card up. I don't know why we didn't, but we would have moved that card up. And then the USD should be up here. So yeah. Now these were the top 1, 2. Yo, the top was too strong. It's only 2. I think we'll move that card up. I think we're going to move that card up. We are going to move card pairs up. But that means it will affect AUD card. That's another thing. Okay, what's happened? We'll move card below USD. First below you, then move USD card down. Should we move card higher? That is another thing. Let's just move all the card first. Let's move all the card up first. All the card pairs up. I think that's all the card pairs now here. 1, 2, card, no card. So let's move this to cover this. So 1, 2, yo, 30 minutes, 29 minutes left, and we need to analyze step first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, right? Then I think we'll move USD down lower. So I generally feel we need to move USD lower. So I think it was card JPY that gave us that clean. Nope. Card CHF. Yup. So card will go up. All the cards are going up. Card CHF, card JPY, USD card. Yo, what am I doing, bro? GBP card. Then USD card, GBP card. What else? NZD USD still there. Yo, we've never had 3 candle pairs at once. So card CHF, AED card, and AED USD. Obviously, if any of the card, AED card or card CHF has a trade, we're not going to be interested in it, obviously. If I see a trade on AED card, I'm not going to be interested in card CHF. So they both work hand in line with each other. Then delete this. We delete both of them. Why am I deleting both of them? Because or making analysis for 1, 2, 3. So for this, if it breaks below this for card CHF, then for AED card, add a lot. Then AED card, draw horizontal and add a lot. Yeah, then for AED USD, add a lot, then add line. Now the major thing is for the line to be well acknowledged. Between CAD and USD, I prefer if USD broke. I prefer if USD broke it so that we can place a trade on AUD USD and CAD CHF. So wait a minute. USD is still here, right? Okay. Wait, I can't place AUD USD. Yo, AUD USD is out of the picture. Do you know why? Because we already have a running trade on NZD USD. So the only trade we can analyze, right, is AD card or card CHF. AD USD is out of the picture. It is not possible because we already have a running trade on NZD USD. Yo, so it's only AD card. It's AD card or card CHF. AD card or not both of them, or one of the two. AD card or card CHF. So why don't we just automatically move all the card up there? Are you seeing my point? Move all the card up there. Then move all the USD above AUD because we're not going to be using them. Are you guys getting what I'm saying? Move all the USD above the wait though, Euro USD still here. So then all these AUDs, yeah, we close them off. Do you get my point? So the only pairs we are focusing now is on card, which is AD card, card CHF. Are you seeing it? And USD. Do you get my point? So it's on card. AD USD is one of us. Oh. We have already sealed him off. Small, small. Wait, AD USD. Yes, I left it here now. I left it here. But do you get my point? Do you guys get my point? We just seal off AUD, so we know it's just card and USD. So it's either AD card or card CHF give us a signal, or and this one is already running, so we don't have any issue with this. So AD card, is it AD card? AD card. AD card. That's the number one. Then card CHF is here. So now let us obviously identify AD card on higher time frame first to see if this entry is strong enough, or we should adjust the entry higher, how we did in the other trade. So what am I looking for? But the distance self is way too much. Let's go to daily to see if we can see a peak. Well, speak of the devil, and the devil appears. This is the entry, beautiful entry, and it's on the daily time frame. Are you seeing this peak? Let's move the alert up. It's not clicking. Okay. So we've seen a beautiful entry for this. Let's check for a beautiful entry for others. So card CHF. You have like 23 minutes left before network starts disturbing me. Have you seen that we're having a fluent analysis of this one? I just hope Well, on the daily, this one acknowledged it though. That very pick acknowledged it as an entry. Let's check if we'll see another pick. Let's see if we'll see another pick. Wait, what? Whoa, 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 whoa. For CAT CHF, it was only acknowledged once. Then it's going to be a limitless. Our yo. Our first limitless trade in a while. Like it has no limit. Take profit has no limit. Yo, but the entry was acknowledged here by this peak on the daily. Apart from that peak, nothing else. Yo, do you know when we saw this last? These are literally our first limitless trade. I feel like going instead of 500 550 pips. I feel like going for a higher one to like 1050 pips. You get my point. But it's our first limitless trade. I like this. That's it. Your first limited trade. No bounds on it. So obviously, excuse me. Let's go to 5 minutes and put our stop loss and take profit. Yo. Okay, so let's put our bullish. Should be this bullish. I just want to confirm. This is a bullish trade. Okay, yes. Sorry, long position. 550, 200. Yo, we have like very few minutes left for me to sort this out. It's just two analysis, so it's 20 minutes. Oh, 20 minutes has already started on the clock. Well, the second one does not need analysis, just this one that need analysis. Because second one is a limitless trade. I can't help but say it. It has no bounds. It's not caged by the market. Why in the world? Wait, what in the world is going on? Uh-huh. Why is it so humongous? Like yo, I just need the TP. Yep. Then delete this obviously. Reset this. Now, this is what we're working with. Let us now find entry, stop loss, all of that. The welcome. Shrink this, right? Now let's check through time. This is the 5 minute time frame. Let's see. I don't think there's anything. 15 minutes. But this wow. Yo, my mouth is watering from how strong this AD card bullish trend is. I just hope that it is not does not run out of steam. That's my only hope. Okay, 15 minutes. Let's check 1 hour time frame. Yo, what in the world is going on? It's consolidated a bit and it's still bullish. This is a strong bullish trend. Nah, nah. If we get an entry on it, wow, see where it's coming from. See where the trend is coming from. If we get, oh, if we get, if we get a trade on that, it's going to be amazing, bro. What in the world? Entry well acknowledged. Entry well acknowledged on the 4 hour time. I think this was the reason we used to pick entry well acknowledged here. Just want to zoom in to see. So yeah, this could not even get to it. So daily now. Let's see daily. Our entry has been acknowledged. Oh goodness. This is gonna be a while. But remember, we are already TP obviously. TP acknowledged. Um TP acknowledged. Yo, but that was an on point TP acknowledged. I saw one on point seat. This whole peak. This is it. One on point TP acknowledgement. I said it is already close to 7 o'clock and I'm already seeing some signs of network disturbance. I just hope it is okay, that's cleared up. So TP, nothing, nothing. Entry here. Another entry here, but it's not strong enough. So that is for entry. Nothing on stop loss so far. Entry here too. Wait though, there's actually nothing on stop loss. TP here. Wow. See TP now. Who is questioning the entry here? I cannot see anything on stop loss. What's going on? Okay, stop loss here. What in the world happened here? But anyhow, stop loss here. Um, um, what am I looking for? What am I looking at? TP, obviously. TP also here. Nothing on stop loss, yes. There's genuinely nothing on stop loss. What's going on? TP here. TP here too. Why am I not seeing anything on stop loss? What's going on here? Entry here. Beautiful entry here. There's nothing on the stop loss, so there's a problem, bro. TP, 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 TP. There's no way I can see anything on stop loss. Okay. One slight stop loss here. Entry, 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 entry. Slight stop loss, nothing. Stop loss slightly. There's no major stop loss here. There's no major stop loss confirmation here. Slight stop loss here, which was going for an entry, but ended up being a stop loss. But the reason why it's a stop loss because it was going for an entry. Stop loss, stop loss. Or both of them are not strong enough. Stop loss. Okay, I've seen a strong on point stop on point though. An entry here. Where else? TP here. Beautiful TP here. Um, okay, on point stop loss here. Take profit obviously up there. I have a running notes. Let me clear it up. Okay, okay. Just cleared up my notes. Cleared up my notes. So what was I? I can breathe properly now. Oh, 4 minutes left. Yo, we gotta be moving fast before the network issue comes in. What? What? No, not the network issue again. Just allow me to finish up my analysis, please. Um, TP, TP, TP. Uh, nothing on stop loss or entry. There could be something there. I'm just trying my best to know if I can. Oh, I feel so free as I've cleared up my notes. Okay, okay, okay. TP, 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 and acknowledgement. Um, stop loss, stop loss, nothing else. Oh, we're already getting to the end of time. Entry here, entry. From the beginning of time, it was had two entry acknowledgements. So I like that. Entry and take profit well acknowledged, but for stop loss, not too strong. So I just want to point that one out on AD card. Then to my down to my wait. If I go down to my let me just look at it one more time. Okay, I thought as much. Something was missing. SL, SL. What in the world? SL. Please, network issue, not now. Please, I will soon be done. It's by 7 you usually come to visit when everyone is awake. Entry. Okay. Then TP. Then reset. So I think we've done it. Oh, we've not even adjusted a lot. That's why I said I want to look at one of that. Possible buy. Then possible buy. Yeah. So possible buy. So save up. Okay, stop loss entry, take profits. We've done our possible buy. So go to the second one. Can we just know if we can change this to what in the world was that? Okay, now I want to change this to possible buy now. The earlier the better. Sorry, possible sell. This is possible sell. Sorry, possible sell. So the alert has been sorted out. So what's next is for me to reset this, shrink this up. Okay, okay. This is our limitless trade. We've already confirmed the entry. Let us. Did I put? Oh, yes, I put stop loss and take profit. I wanted to say, did I put stop loss and take profit for that one? So sell. Adjust this to 5. Oh goodness, 550, 200. Yep. Press OK. Now let me set it 1:3. Yes. So yo, wait, what am I doing? Put the line. Anything below this is okay. Anything below this is okay. Then delete this, obviously. I wish I could increase the take profit, but let me not be greedy. It's a limitless day, not an infinite money hack. So behave yourself. So yeah, but I feel like this entry is a strong entry because this is the highest the market has been since the market was brought into the market. So for the fact that this is the peak of everything, it's going to be a very strong entry. And once it can just break here and retest it, we are done. There's nothing stopping us from getting to our take profit. I don't know if you get my point. Yes, but let's just do the formalities of which we know is not necessary. Let's shrink it. Don't worry, let's just give them what they are looking for. 5 minutes, obviously nothing. Sorry, how do I know? Let me check. Yes, 5 minutes. Are we still zooming? Open up fast, fast, fast. This is going to be the most easiest analysis ever done. Okay, 15 minutes. Oh wow, very nice. Let's see if we can see. Nothing. No, there's no limit on this trade. Are you seeing it? Are you guys seeing it? Are you guys seeing it? Are you confirming the wait? 30 minutes. No, let's just do 30 minutes. Don't know what you're gonna tell us. But you said we did not said anything. So this was what acknowledged entry. It could either be an entry acknowledgement or a stop loss acknowledgement. Anywho, this was acknowledged something. But there's nothing on stop loss. This is limited. Let me just at least look at this. Let me look at this place very well to see if we can put even if it's small limit. Too much of a good thing is bad. Okay, see stop loss acknowledgement, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss acknowledgement. That is our own really well acknowledgement of. Then this line here, I think we're supposed to put another line here. Let me confirm which one is which. But with that, we've done that. So shrink back and let's go to our unlimited aura. This is aura. 30 minutes. Let's just be moving now. There's no harm in trying. What is this? I just saw a free free trade that has no. It's been long. I can't remember the last time I saw a limitless trade. hmm We got nothing, nothing. Go to 1 hour. Nothing, nothing. 1 hour. Nothing, nothing. Our biggest problem now is let it just break that entry and retrace it. If it breaks that entry and retest it, we don't have an issue again. We're just going to ride its way to the downside. 4 hour, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. Ain't got nothing. Feeling understand that the ways of the Lord. I know, come on. Yo, yo, we ain't got nothing. Feeling understand that we've got nothing. Yeah, yo, understand. Uh, nothing. Yo, yo, say nothing. Why in the world am I singing? Is it because it's the limited trade or what? Is it because it's a limited trade? That's why I'm dancing and jubilating. Sorry, I was trying to check something on the technical. That's why I was not moving the market. So, wow, the whole headache we're doing is just this small thing here. We're not asking for much. See, people should look at it. We're not asking for much. Just see for it, the candle to just stretch its legs and come down. But it should give us an entry, oh, not like that last time that we did not see anything. Just stretch its legs. I'll prefer if you can't see it, just give us a trade than AED card. Generally speaking, I prefer if you can't see it, just give us a trade than AED card. Let's know if you can even trail it to no bounds and all of that. This is daily time frame, right? So um yeah, nothing. So obviously you go to 5 minutes, reset it. Now let's see. So we should I left the two line because those I'm going to leave the two line. Once it breaks here, it's going to give us a lot. If it breaks below, we're going to use these two lines as our head. After all, it's like under one candle. We turn it to a box instead of a line. So those two lines is our. So now let's stop loss obviously. SL and entry. First entry. We'll call this main entry. This is main entry. Yo, my battery is already low, but we've done all our analysis also. We've done all our analysis. It will soon off. Sub, sorry, sub entry. So since you have watched up to this point, subscribe, 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 subscribe for goodness sake. TP, TP, you can easily TP, TP. So subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Wait, let's rename this alert. Let's see if we can rename this alert. There's only two alerts here. I want to put one if it breaks this entry that I'm calling the strong entry. But stop loss incoming. That's what I'm going to name it. Yo, can this thing allow me before my battery runs out? Stop loss incoming. SL incoming. SL incoming. I'm not sure it's going to last. SL incoming. Can I save this? Save. Okay. Yeah. I'm done with everything. I'm done with everything. I'm done with everything. This is our already running trade. Why AED card and cards CHF is our hopeful trade for today. Stay tuned to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me.